Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? This video is very important for all Chainlink holder because my brother, absolutely in this video I will give you something very secret and very important information about Chainlink and what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, everything I'm going to discuss now. But kindly, if you are new my channel, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. If you want to earn money in crypto, just and only subscribe this channel. My brother, in last 3 days, as you can see here, Chainlink will lost minus 10.78%. So therefore I make this video, my friends, because all coins, not just unique Chainlink. If you check out my previous videos, so definitely you will completely understand to why all coins were fails down. So you can see, my brother, this time in the start of month every coin were fails down, because my brother, in the start of month everybody know this too, every coin were fails down because of short time investor they are started selling. So therefore if a holder are started selling, so therefore the coins cannot moving upward and they were fails down very badly. So don't worry, Chainlink holder, I hope in upcoming time they will moving upward, but if you are hold it, so I just advise you, this is not a financial video, please, my opinion is to please hold. And what's your opinion, share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching holder, please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel. But please hold it. In those days I will give you 100% guarantee, my brothers, to after the mid of month they will moving upward. So kindly do this, I will give you guarantee to they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.